The view makes this meal even better. Today I'm camping beside one of the most beautiful waterfalls in America. Just look at that view. This place is incredible. I think I've found the perfect camping spot. Let's set up camp before the weather changes. This is going to be my home for the night. Waking up here tomorrow is going to be amazing. I need some wood before the sun goes down. I'm just gathering some firewood here, and honestly, the sound of this waterfall is so relaxing. I think this will be enough for tonight. Time to get the campfire started. Perfect. Nothing beats a campfire in nature. We are at this amazing waterfall today. Dinner is going to be something special tonight. Let's add some massive flavor to this chicken. We are out here in the wild and good food is a must. This blend of spices is going to be amazing. Nothing beats campfire cooking, guys. This smells incredible already. I can't wait to eat. Now that's what I call camping food. Hello, camping food. The view makes this meal even better. This is one of the best camping spots I've ever seen. The atmosphere here feels magical. Let's explore a little before bedtime. Everything looks completely different at night. The power of nature is unbelievable. It's time to relax. This is exactly why I love outdoor adventures. I could stay here forever. Good night, everyone. See you in the morning. The waterfall is nature's perfect sleeping soundtrack. Good morning from paradise. This view is worth every mile of the journey. It's time to head back. One unforgettable night by the waterfall. I'll see you in the next adventure.